Hey friends! A premium car vacuum cleaner keeps your interior spotless, effectively removes dust, and maintains hygiene effortlessly every day. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car vacuum cleaners in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Black+Decker Car Vacuum Cleaner. Recognized globally as a top-tier brand in hand vacuums, this device brings unprecedented cordless convenience to your daily routine, drastically simplifying the way you tidy up both your living space and your vehicle. Exceptionally lightweight and fully rechargeable, this highly portable Dustbuster excels at multi-surface adaptability, effectively eradicating stubborn dirt, loose debris, embedded pet hair, and scattered crumbs from plush carpets, living room couches, wooden furniture, steep staircases, and bustling high-traffic zones. Boasting an ultra-compact, ergonomically sculpted design, it sits perfectly in the palm of your hand and tucks away discreetly in any cabinet or trunk when off-duty. The ingeniously engineered rotating slim nozzle easily pivots to conquer uncomfortably tight spaces, while the conveniently integrated pull-out crevice tool seamlessly dives into challenging gaps, such as the dark voids between car seats or high atop dusty bookshelves. Additionally, a handy flip-up brush provides excellent versatility for sweeping delicate dashboard surfaces or fragile home decor. Driven by advanced cyclonic action, this unit forcefully funnels debris away from the primary filter, preventing clogs and guaranteeing incredibly robust, unwavering suction power from start to finish. Brilliantly marrying unmatched portability with formidable suction strength and intuitive design, this handheld powerhouse is the absolute perfect companion for rapid daily touch-ups or meticulous weekend detailing. Next up, our second product, the Fanttik Car Vacuum Cleaner. This masterfully engineered mini vacuum operates as an ultra-compact, featherlight, and supremely adaptable detailing instrument that completely redefines how you handle small-scale messes. At its core lies a shockingly potent 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, capable of unleashing a massive 19 kilopascals, or 45 air watts, of vacuuming force to effortlessly suck up fine dust, coarse beach sand, stubborn pet dander, and assorted debris from cramped car interiors, messy office desks, delicate computer keyboards, and the tightest crevices imaginable. Transcending the capabilities of a standard vacuum, its ingenious 4-in-1 architecture seamlessly integrates powerful blowing, inflating, and air pumping functionalities, instantly transforming it into an indispensable multi-purpose gadget for daily life. Generously packaged with 10 highly practical attachments, such as precision crevice tools, elongated flexible hoses, diverse multi-surface scrubbing brushes, and a specialized pet hair extractor, it navigates the most complex, hard-to-reach zones without breaking a sweat. Despite its incredibly small footprint, it provides two distinct performance settings, granting a generous 40 minutes of runtime on Eco mode and a blistering 13 minutes of intense power on Max mode. Convenient Type-C rapid charging technology completely replenishes the battery in a mere 2.5 hours. Tipping the scales at a remarkably light 1.1 pounds, one-handed operation is an absolute breeze, while the premium HEPA filtration matrix securely traps 95.99% of airborne particulates. Finished with a brilliant one-touch dust cup for zero-contact, hygienic disposal, this pocket-sized dynamo is the ultimate portable answer for immediate, hassle-free sanitation. Coming in at number 3, the IHE Car Vacuum Cleaner. This highly innovative 3-in-1 multifunctional cleaning gadget stands out as an exceptionally adaptable and robust machine, expertly engineered to conquer dirty environments in both your vehicle and your living room. Outfitted with a recently upgraded, high-performance motor that generates a staggering 15,000 PA of suction force, it relentlessly eliminates thick layers of dust, gritty sand, dry debris, and unexpectedly even wet liquid spills from wide-open carpets down to the most confined keyboard gaps, deep car seat crevices, and hidden sofa crannies. A truly standout feature is its fully washable and reusable HEPA filter, which effectively guarantees extended operational longevity while maintaining impeccably consistent air filtration and unwavering suction stability over countless detailing sessions. Showcasing a brilliantly compact and phenomenally lightweight physical profile, its fully cordless architecture provides the ultimate freedom of movement, ensuring you can maneuver around obstacles without being tethered to a wall outlet. Furthermore, the thoughtfully provided premium carrying bag neatly houses the main unit and every single attachment, allowing for discreet storage right inside your car's glove box, a kitchen drawer, or a tight trunk compartment. Delivered alongside a comprehensive array of specialized nozzles, this dynamic unit flawlessly executes diverse household chores, easily shifting between vacuuming, high-velocity air blowing, and convenient air pumping tasks. Utilizing an efficient 120W power draw and backed by a dependable 2000 mAh USB rechargeable battery pack, it perfectly handles emergency spot cleaning missions while you are out on the road. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Fanttik Car Vacuum Cleaner. This spectacular handheld vacuum serves as an incredibly forceful and superbly flexible sanitation powerhouse, meticulously crafted to elevate the cleanliness of both your daily commuter and your home interior. Driven by a state-of-the-art, next-generation 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, this technological marvel pushes an astonishing 20,000 pascals of raw suction power when engaged in its highest setting, aggressively extracting stubborn dust, heavy debris, embedded pet fur, and scattered food crumbs with absolute ease. The sophisticated brushless internal architecture not only promises vastly superior energy efficiency but also ensures whisper-quiet acoustic performance well under 70 decibels, significantly outlasting the lifespan of conventional brushed alternatives. Fueling this impressive performance is a massive, high-capacity 11.1 V, 6,000 mAh lithium-ion battery pack, delivering a very respectable 30 minutes of continuous runtime on the energy-saving mode, while the ultra-convenient Type-C fast-charging port fully rejuvenates the cell in a brief 3 to 3.5 hours. What truly sets it apart is the innovative dual airflow channeling system, which moves an impressive 680 liters of air per minute, allowing the device to instantly morph from a high-powered vacuum into an aggressive air blower, making it the ultimate tool for blasting dust out of delicate AC vents, sensitive electronics, and mechanical keyboards. Featuring a spacious 0.4-liter debris canister paired with an easily washable HEPA filtration screen, it promises unwavering suction and effortless long-term upkeep. Weighing an almost unbelievable 0.7 pounds, it is incredibly agile and comes loaded with versatile flat and brush nozzles for an all-in-one cleaning experience. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Armor All-Car Vacuum Cleaner. This formidable 4.5 horsepower wet and dry utility vacuum acts as an aggressively powerful and incredibly dynamic heavy-duty cleaning apparatus, custom-built to handle extreme messes inside your messy garage or around the home. Armed with a remarkably resilient commercial-style motor, it effortlessly produces a jaw-dropping 145 air-watts of industrial-grade suction force, efficiently and mercilessly eliminating massive wet liquid spills and mountains of dry debris without breaking a sweat. The massive, ultra-durable 8-gallon polypropylene collection tank practically eliminates the frustrating need for constant mid-job emptying, granting you the freedom to engage in dramatically longer, entirely uninterrupted detailing sessions. Adding immense versatility to its repertoire, the powerhead easily detaches to function as a ferocious handheld air blower, capable of generating gale-force winds up to 190 miles per hour to rapidly blast heavy wet leaves and packed dirt from sprawling driveways, crowded garages, and frosted vehicle windshields. Purposely designed for maximum mobile convenience, it glides gracefully across rough shop floors on 360-degree rotating caster wheels, while the perfectly balanced top-mounted handle and surprisingly compact chassis make dodging tight workshop obstacles an absolute breeze. Brilliant onboard storage solutions securely grip every single attachment directly onto the motor housing or the caster feet, ensuring your tools are never misplaced. Arriving complete with a generous 10-foot power cord, a highly flexible 7-foot reinforced hose, and an expansive 9-piece accessory kit, it easily masters everything from dirty floorboards to grimy exterior patios. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.